From the providers, Meybiok is a Enforced Crystal Green improved 20-inch 3-tier light fixture. We're going to open it up, show you how nicely it's packaged, and the colors and makes and models they come in. For our demonstrations, we're going to hang it alongside the bathroom and other areas and demonstrate what it looks like lit up. We have here is the instruction guide and the hardware kit. As we pull it out of its case, we have everything laid out. We have the area of interest, the bracketing, the crystal glass protected by cardboard and plastic wrapping, and the fixture protected in plastic as well. Heavy duty, green design, opening up the sockets and removing each of the socket. Made of aluminum, lifting up and placing on each of the bulb's housings and locking into place. Once secured down, repeat for the other two. Bulbs are not included. There are a maximum of a 60-watt LED bulb. Screw on. Inspired by blooming tulips, the design, the light is lit up with LED bulbs, a vintage classic design with gold at 20-inch wide angle 3-tier light. It has a bar going across with the circular bars and the tulip design in green. This is your light, 3-tier, hung up in the vanity, bathroom, living room, hallway, and more. You're looking for a light fixture so you can hang up what it looks like on a wall. This is a blooming tulip, anti-rust, heavy crystal glass, excluding 3 bulbs. Easy to assemble and install. I hope you enjoy your light fixture if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing.